How to delete messages on Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete messages on Pinterest. So first of all, open your Pinterest app on your mobile device. And now to go to chats or inbox, simply tap on the fourth option on the bottom side of the screen, just left to your profile icon. After that, you will be taken to this page where on the top side of the screen, you can basically see two options, updates and inbox. Simply tap on inbox and there you'll be able to see the list of all of the different chats you've had so far. So now let's say this is the chat you want to delete right over here. So if you want to delete a particular message, there you simply won't be able to delete the message. So what you can do is tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen of the chat which you want to delete, and now you'll have to tap on the option hide conversation. That way your message won't be exactly deleted, but it will surely be hidden from your inbox. But if you tap on their profile, the message will show up once again. So that is the only way as to how you can somehow delete messages on Pinterest. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.